In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up effective onboarding screens using Base44. Whether you're launching a new project or enhancing an existing one, guiding new users seamlessly into your app is crucial for long-term engagement. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your users have a smooth and informative experience from the start. First, you're going to need to open your Base44 project using the Chrome browser. Base44 is a flexible platform that allows you to create intuitive and user-friendly designs, so having it accessible will be your first step. Once you've got your project open, navigate over to the specific page or application section where you want to implement onboarding. This could be your overall homepage, a new feature area, or any place where you feel guidance is essential for first-time users. The next step focuses on adding those all-important onboarding screens. Base44 is equipped with a wide range of components and templates specifically designed for this purpose. You can start by selecting the templates that best suit your project's aesthetic and functional requirements. Remember, these components are there to provide structure, but they should always align with your brand and overall user experience. With your screens in place, it's time to customize the details. This includes crafting welcoming messages that set a positive tone, providing clear and concise instructions, and incorporating progress indicators. Progress indicators are particularly valuable as they help users understand how far they are in the onboarding process. As you customize these elements, keep your language clear and your instructions actionable. This clarity will ensure that users know exactly what to do and how to navigate through your app effectively. Once you have your onboarding screen set, it's crucial to link each step to navigation controls properly. Ensure that buttons such as Next, Back, or Skip flow logically and are intuitively placed. This seamless transition is what will guide users naturally from one stage to the next, enhancing their learning and engagement. After setting up your onboarding sequence, testing it in preview mode is a vital part of the process. Here, you can walk through the onboarding flow just as a new user would. Pay close attention to any potential snags or confusing points. This is your opportunity to tweak elements that might not be working as intended or to refine messages for greater clarity. Remember, the goal is to create an experience that feels intuitive and rewarding. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, it's time to save and publish your project. This will make your carefully crafted onboarding screens live and accessible to your users. Take pride in the work you've done, knowing that you've laid the groundwork for a positive user experience from the moment they engage with your app. With these steps completed, your onboarding process is ready to provide users with a seamless introduction to your app. This foundation is crucial for user satisfaction and retention, so well done on taking